Hi everyone, so today we are going to try texture art. I had already soaked some waste used papers overnight and made small fine paste out of it. I then imprinted my design using carbon paper. I really like florals and so I decided to go with tulips. I chose shades of pink for my tulip design and mixed it with fine waste paper paste using Fevicol. It is now the time for the most satisfying experience of this art, placing our colored textured paste on the artwork. I personally enjoyed this process a lot, and I'm not sure whether this artwork turned out to be good or bad, but I feel the whole process of making art is having fun. I hope you too had fun watching this, and do let me know in comment section if you like this artwork, and thank you for watching.